Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to recover delete timeline on Google Map. So guys, basically this easy you can do. Just go under download, delete or make plan your data and click on your download your data and select Google Map location history and request download for your data archive, and this recover real time and deletes that data, but you will give you access to past data download. And so you're going to have your go to your setting and then simply go to your data, and then going to have to do is simply scroll down and see. So you should see here Google Map, and if I'm not wrong, as you can see here guys, have this option to download your data. Then basically you are going to have to select here, you're going to have to scroll down and select Google Map, and basically this is all you have to do. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.